Guys, say hi.
And all of these.
We just got back from the aquarium. You guys have fun?
Yeah, baby.
What was your favorite part of the aquarium?
The tiger.
There's no tiger. You mean the bear?
Uh-huh.
How about you, Charlotte? What was your favorite part? The fishies? Or the turtle?
I
Took a detour. Polar bear? Yeah. We went over the bridge 4 times. You guys like that?
Yeah.
You know, a 15-minute drive took 45. But, you know.
Yeah. We all went there something.
Yeah. Now we're going to go explore.
Uh-huh.
Cool.
And we're going to get food and something like,
Sounds good. This is the view of our hotel. Looking, I believe, to the west. I could be completely wrong though. Hope we don't have to climb that hill. Our hotel has some interesting artwork.
what's the bathroom?
It's actually a nice drawing. Looks like someone must have hand drew that, huh? That's not wallpaper, is it? This is like an art. Huh? Yeah. Guys, come on.
Who wrote this?
Oh, probably a long time ago.
Champagne chocolatier.
Ooh, that's my nickname in high school.
That looks like
What'd you say?
like they got some good goodies. I want to get something that's like. Nobody does.
I guess it gets cold. Just pop in a pub.
Yeah.
Alright, so we did the aquarium. Now we're in downtown Quebec City. Here, it's enjoying the old school style buildings here from the 1600s, very European style. It's very cold outside, about 34 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius, according to my car. So we're gonna actually walk down to the Fair One Hotel, and then we're gonna go down to the lower area, figure out the name of that area. But it's all these cool little old village buildings. It kind of reminds you of like cool of Boston, really. So.
What was that one song called? Cool as it moves.
Yeah, I think so. So there's like a long, winding road we gotta go down to get to that area where the umbrella thing is and all that stuff. So I think you could probably walk into the lobby of the hotel, check it out. That's a wild hotel, isn't that thing? Look how high it goes up. Hotel. Anyway, what do you think? It's pretty cool, huh?
Great. What time are we on?
It's like a castle. Where's the thing go? Like on the ground? Must go like down to the street over there.
Yeah.
Well, me and Daddy rode on one of those.
See, that's what
Henry, say hi.
Let's go. Mommy, picture me, Mommy. Walking. Mommy, you can take a picture of me.
1, 2, 3, go.
Son, what's the fire? Why you take our pictures?
It's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
I gotta tell you, these hills in Quebec City, they're no joke. Look at this freaking thing. Now I'm pushing, I don't know, Henry, how much you weigh? 40 pounds? Sean's about 20, 60, about 70 pounds at a 45 degree.
Why are you talking to yourself? Who are you talking to?
Talking to my fans. Yeah, crazy.
Why you just calling me away? Just calling me knockoff.
Knock off. Who says knock off Legos? Gigi?
No, I think one of his guys uses knockoff Legos.
Oh. You know what knock off Legos?